Hi, fifth graders. Hey, you found the video. Congratulations. Way to go. So I just want to go through what you're going to do at home today, your first day of distance learning at home. And I'm going to start with the page that you actually found the link to this video on. So I'm going to click over here. Bear with me. So you'll see a list of things to do, and you can look back on this later and make sure that you do them all. I've got them in the order that you're going to do them on. Okay, all of you had me for science, so all of you are going to be doing the science things. So you can see on the list here, you're going to open it should say day 1. Oh, this is not right. Start over. Hey, fifth graders, congratulations. You made it and found it to the video. So I'm looking right now at the page that you see that you got the link from. Your link was right here. It's not there now because I'm making the video right now. So these are the things that you're going to do today. Everybody has me for science, so we're going to start with science first. So there's a list of things to do, and you're going to do them in this order. First thing you're going to do is you're going to view the PowerPoint on the scientific method. Should be a little bit of a review because we've already talked about the scientific method quite a bit. I have to apologize. I made the video and the edges are a little bit cut off. And that's because I did not have my resolution set quite right. It took me 2.5 hours to make that video, and I did not have another 2.5 hours to do it again. So I think you'll be able to follow along pretty well. It might be a little annoying that those edges are cut off, but just appreciate that I spent that much time on it and I didn't have time to do it again. So watch that, and then there's a brain pop video. That's the second thing you're going to do, and there will be a link to brain pop. You have to log into it. The username is Hastings Raiders, all lowercase, and then the password is Raiders. Okay, we'll watch brain pop videos all year. You probably have watched one with Mr. Foster too. Hastings Raiders. Okay. Third thing you're going to do is a little puzzle piece. So it's an assignment, and it's the scientific method homework questions. So once you're done with it, your grade's going to automatically go into the grade book. It'll be your first science grade. All right, some of you had me for math, and if you have me for just science, I want you to stay with me for a few more minutes here because I'm going to show you on Schoology what it looks like too. So in math, you're going to do these things over here in this order. Just like in the classroom, brain game. We've got 2 videos. First video you're going to watch is a review of yesterday. It's a Khan Academy video. Might make you a little hungry for pizza, but I think it'll help refresh your memory of what we've been talking about the last 2 days. Then watch the Unit 1 Lesson 3 video. It's going to be Mr. Mace again, and have your workbook open to page 9, following along with Mr. Mace and filling in those pages. Now I've got a little hint there for you in your planner. I think it's page R9 in the very back. There's a multiplication chart. You're welcome to use that. There's also a multiplication chart on page 9. And then you could also use a calculator. Okay, the homework is exit ticket 1-3. It's another one of those little puzzle pieces. Whenever you see a puzzle piece, you should know that you have to do it and you have to get a good score on it. I think I've got it set up that you can do it 2 times. See if you can get a better score the second time. I think in the future we're going to probably let you do those 3 times. So we're really wanting you to do well on them. Yesterday, when you did exit ticket 1-2, some of you only got 7 out of 14, and I'm hoping that you went back and fixed it so that you could get them all right or close to all right. I think there was a problem with the matching, and I'm not sure what it is. So go back and check your matching. See if you can get a better score. Then the last thing is, for fun, if you want to, play one or both of the equivalent fraction games. They're kind of fun, so I hope you'll be trying those out. If you need me, message me. Remember, I'm going to be teaching until about 12:30 most days. And if somebody at school gets sick, I might have to sub for them, but I should be available most days from 2 to 3:30. Okay, let's just take a look and see what this looks like on Schoology. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm clicking on Science. Okay, remember we did the at school 2 lessons. Now you're doing the at home distance learning. When I open that up, there's day 1 at home, and day 2 at home. So you're on day 1. Today's Thursday right here. You open it up. There's your videos. There's your homework. Okay, let's take a look at math. And I think I'm going to just go back to courses on this. So I'm going to pretend I'm in science and I want to go back to math. Again, if you don't have me for math, you could probably tune out right now. But here's math. This is our current week, the only week that's there. And today's Thursday. So you're going to open that up. There's your brain game. There's the Khan Academy. There's a video with Mr. Mace. Here's your homework. But down here is what I want to talk to you about. Here are the fun games. I really would like you to try one of them at least. The first one's a bingo game. And it's one of those games that you can make it as easy as hard as you want. You can make the bingo board with 3 across, with 5 across, bigger. And then you have a choice between normal and a challenge. So you can make it as hard as you want. The second one is the one I like a little bit better, but you could tell me which one you like better. I'm going to click on this. I want you to watch what happens to my screen. I have this really unhappy face here, and that's happens sometimes when I make a link on Schoology. It turns out like that. I try to catch them, but sometimes I don't. If you ever run into this, look up at the top of this gray box up over here. There's a little arrow. Click on that arrow and it will take you to the link. So hopefully by tomorrow I will have fixed that and you'll be able to see it. We're at the math playground and we're playing the game called Triplets. So you are sorting team players by uniform, and they have fractions on their uniforms, which is very odd, I think, but kind of fun. There's sound effects, so either turn it down or put in your headphones if you have somebody near you working. And each one of these fraction pies is going to have 3 matches to it. So first thing I would do is just maybe label. So that's 1/3, here's 1/2. This is actually 1/10, just so you know there's 10. You could count all those little pieces. So 1/10. So just do these first. And so here's my name 1/4, and then here's another picture for 1/4. And over here we've got 1/5 and 1/5. Now what I have left here are equivalent fractions. So I'm going to start with this 1/2. That's the easiest one. So 1/2 would be which one of these? Well, remember how we talked about the top is half the bottom? 4/8 would be there. Okay, over here, well, let's just double it. If I double the top, I get 2. If I double the bottom, I get 10. So that one's 2/10. And now I'm just going to randomly throw these in here. I could be right, I could be wrong. And I'm going to check my work by clicking the check mark. Oops. So I have a mistake in these 3. So I'm going to quickly fix those. And I'm going to check again. Woo! So blast off. Now I'm on level 2. So see how many levels you can get to. Have some fun. Maybe if you don't like that, try the bingo game. So that's what you're going to do today. You should have plenty to keep you busy. I don't remember if I've got one more thing I want to tell you. I don't remember if I showed you in this science site. I have an extra video there too if you'd like to watch it. This is my 3rd time doing this recording, so I can't remember exactly what I have. But the at-home distance learning, you're doing day 1 at home. I guess it's on day 2. At day 2 at home, there's an extra video for you to watch. So anyhow, you got plenty to keep you busy. Have a great time. Message me if you get stuck. And I will talk to you tomorrow morning with another video and another set of directions for more cool stuff to do. Have a great day.